Folks, today I'm going to teach you guys how to construct a parallelogram when given the length of the two sides and you have one angle. So in this case, let's assume the length of the two sides are 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. So now we're going to draw the first side. Let's call it AB. Let's measure the length of it. That's from 1 to 6. 1 to 6. So this is A and this is B, with a length of 5 centimeter. Now the next thing for us to do is you are going to construct the given angle AB1. So assuming we have a given angle of let's say 120 degrees, so we are going to put the protractor on that center of the angle. You make sure it lines on that line AB. Then you are going to measure from the left to the right. That's measures from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 till you get to 120 degrees. So the hair is 120 degrees. You make a dot above that, and then you are going to join that dot with the initial line B. So you are going to join the dot to the initial line. So now let's call this one. Now this is the angle. The next stage is to, with center B and the radius of the other side, draw an arc to cut B1. So this is B1, cut it at C. So the other side is 4 centimeter length. So we are going to measure the 4 centimeter length on the ruler. So that's from 2 to 6. Then we are going to cut it off. So actually this is 4, yes. Cut it off. Now the next stage, with center A and radius BC. So this is BC. Let's call this C. With center A and that same radius, you cut another arc. So if you've done that. Now the last stage, with center C and radius AB. So we are going to open our compass to A, from A to B. And we're going to cut from center C with the previous arc. So you can see that there's an intersection here. So we are going to dot the intersection. We're going to join the intersection. Let's call it D. So let's join D to A and D to C. So let's join D to C. So from D to C, you draw a straight line, a firm line, it's an outline. So let's join D to A. Then I can tick in the remaining lines. So they are no longer construction lines, they are now outlines. So this is how to draw a parallelogram when given the length of two sides and an angle.